Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on Odatejish TV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. And also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and loved ones.
For yenya ente breaking news be say yenua bema Bulldog ya chino police for na chino ana BNI for na chino yabra pani Uncle Rex Omar ewa homane so na yembusa na se eno kra na Uncle Rex, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, oh, Master say.
Nyankopo Addo mafishia pa
afen commentary afese sebana bibia e kama
yeda onyankopo ase awie putumprum ye nyane ntiese ya chi Bulldog BNI ana CID Bulldog wo hefa
yo me da se me chiefo me so awie ya na me team members ne ba ko frɛ me ka che me se wate se arrest Bulldog ntino me ye so me nya hwehwemu kakra me recently me lose me phone me contact ntino catch him see any hwehwemu na yenhwe ne omo friend lawyer ono an your friend and phone off nti your friend lawyer several times and apparently no say omo na kwahye BNI, but the BNI people doesn't even seem to know what is going on, and according to sources some boys from the presidency omo dump no BNI ho. So that is the information I have for now. It's in the hwehwe ne afedi ekwakwesi.
So allegedly, some men or some guys from presidency, Ekochi Bulldog. Now, how can Nkrofo from presidency Ekochi Bulldog? I didn't to me no more.
And only on my timono until you show me after the Aquaquisi. Did the BCB and the Betuga?
But has the BNI admitted, sir, Bulldog is in their custody now?
For now, no.
And can we say, sir? We don't know the whereabouts of Bulldog, Anna.
According to source, that is allegedly from the information we have from Nkrofo, or BNI ho, I dump not to BNI ho.
Why the who say a Bulldog echo BNI?
My team members living a friend in the lawyer, and I'm saying the lawyer no BNI ho. In the lawyer ne matter information, no say a friend say he is at the BNI because you nimbe ya no or one after an phone at home. For now, that is the information we have. It is overdomia. You hold on, you have the right information. For now, we know, say, allegedly, is some people from presidency that have gone to arrest him, and they've dumped him at BNI, while the BNI themselves don't even know why Bulldog is there.
Okay, so BNI for no enim say Bulldog no woman sem, but omunim the entire Bulldog bao.
Exactly.
Na just Nkrofo bi na kwachi Bulldog, and omri na koma BNI for.
Exactly.
Enti Bulldog lawyer will be an ICC say.
According to a friend's information, sanity.
Who is the lawyer of Bulldog?
Some friends a complicated name
All right, before by 6 o'clock news, Mijiri is semi ebekoso na ya yen hwehwemu ehu baby a Bulldog wo. Yeda say Uncle Rex Omar for granting us audience on this matter. Right, abusafo yanyane ntiese emrantie bi akwachi Bulldog akwadampe no wo BNI allegedly yes yakwachi Bulldog akoja no wo BNI for nsem according to Uncle Rex Omar no Bulldog lawyer ewo BNI ho nanso BNI for no se omokra omunim de enti a Bulldog aba ho na why ene kwachi no we ensam a ebekoso ena anwumre ochira no pa newspaper be report news morning show ebe review anwumre ya this week ebe topic ebe trend enti Bulldog Wednesday no obeba Halifax ana Halifax show ni so ana Saturday obeba Nana McBrown jumadi ni so we ensam a epiepia eba.
Then Bulldog, before you go, I want you to retract what's MBA.
That's exactly what I'm about to say, sir. You see, you can't assemble, interjection, and then there's no way I have anything personal against the president. I am a citizen. So, I have not threatened him. I'm saying, sir, he should pay the customers because onunimre
Okay.
and the customers near them omu lose the omu sika. That's what I was trying to say.
All right, I got you.